Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Jolly Phonics with Ritu. Learn with confidence. So today we are going to learn the opposites. Opposites. So let's start. Big, big, big. Small, small, small. Tall, tall, tall. Short, short, short. And now we have above, above, above. Below, below, below. And fast, fast, fast. Slow, slow, slow. And wet, wet, wet. Dry, dry, dry. High, high, high. Low, low, low. Up, up, up. Down, down, down. Now we have smile, smile, smile. Frown, frown, frown. Young, young, young. Old, old, old. Hot, hot, hot. Cold, cold, cold. So hope you have learned very well. Learn with confidence. Do like and subscribe my video.